Alcohol in the brain. The act of gathering information, organizing thoughts, and coming to decisions is known as cognition. When driving under the influence of alcohol, you run the risk of making poor decisions that put you, your passengers, and all other adjacent road users in danger. Alcohol, as we all know, has a detrimental effect on your physical health. You might not be aware of the significant negative impact it has on your psychological health. The more frequently you drink, the more likely these side effects may become evident, even after your first drink. For instance, drinking can result in swings in mood, can result in extreme happiness, melancholy, anxiety, and anger. You engage in compulsive activity if you believe you are powerless to stop yourself. Impaired reasoning capacity makes it difficult for your brain to accurately process information. Impaired judgment, causing you to choose poorly based on the information available. Poor focus, making it challenging to follow one thought from beginning to end. Alcohol is a very harmful drug because of how it affects both mood and cognition. When you're drunk, your erratic behavior could cause you to miss crucial roadside information or see things wrongly. Your brain's thinking and action processes will likely be disturbed, which may result in you making poor decisions based on the facts you do have. Alcohol used by young people. Anyone who drinks alcohol can have negative effects on their physical and mental health, but minors are especially vulnerable. The purpose of laws banning underage drinking is to keep you safe, not to prevent you from having fun. A person's internal organs will be more susceptible to the harmful effects of alcohol while their body is still maturing. Women typically reach full maturity in their late teens, while for men it's typically in their early 20s. Because of this, minors frequently become intoxicated more quickly, badly, and slowly. A person's response to alcohol is greatly influenced by their emotional and psychological maturity. Teenagers and young people are more likely to make poor decisions when drinking because they frequently lack the essential life experience to moderate their emotions. Alcohol's influence on mental abilities. There is a reason why people who are drinking are more likely to act foolishly or dangerously. We frequently hear about drunk people risking their lives by speeding with their buddies on deserted roads, diving from roofs into swimming pools, or scaling fences to enter construction sites. However, a sensible and sober person would never consider doing any of these things. These things occur due to alcohol's influence on mind and judgment. Your actions are a direct reflection of your knowledge, memory, personality, and mental state. Your conduct alters when these things are chemically affected by alcohol. Despite the fact that everyone reacts to alcohol slightly differently, there is sufficient information to conclude that the majority of intoxicated people are more likely to act aggressively. Even those who are not at all hostile when intoxicated possess less emotional control. People give into emotions like love, hatred, sorrow, and excitement more readily while they are drunk than they would when sober. Having problems recalling crucial information. The recall process has been demonstrated to be disturbed by BAC levels as low as 0.03%. Have a really difficult time focusing. This is why friends frequently become separated on drunken nights out or lose interest mid-conversation. This is not something you want to happen to you while driving. The major lesson from this topic is that it is impossible to predict your behavior while under the influence of alcohol. While sober, you might be a mature, responsible, and laid-back young adult, but when you get drunk, you turn into a menace to everyone around you. Your brain is altered by alcohol, which has an impact on your behavior. If there's a chance you'll be driving later, the best way to ensure your safety is to abstain from all drinking.